To earn your first $100,000 in the year we live in is like earning your first $1,000 in 1995. Money is literally everywhere. All you need to do is have a proper action plan and execute it. That's why in this video, we will show you 7 ways to earn your first $100,000 online. Whether you're a beginner entrepreneur or someone looking to diversify your income streams, we will assist you in both situations. We'll delve into the strategies used by market giants. But let's be realistic. This journey won't be a walk in the park. It requires dedication, persistence, and the right knowledge to pave the path to success. However, don't worry. With our guidance, you'll gain crucial information and the necessary boost to begin your journey towards the first $100,000. The first way to earn your first $100,000 online is by being a remote sales representative. Even if you've never sold before, it's a skill you can learn relatively quickly. According to research, 1/3 of people have an incredible talent for sales. Another third can easily learn and make $100,000 per year. And the remaining third should avoid sales as it's not their calling, not their strong suit. And it's better to make money through other means. But for those 2/3, it's worth diving into the sales representative field as it can change your life forever. For instance, in a technology company, someone could start with no experience at all and within 5 weeks be earning $5,000 per month. That's a pretty good paycheck, but honestly, as an online sales representative, you should aim for $120,000 per year. That's for the good salespeople. Those with greater talent can make over $40,000 per month. The next way to earn your first $100,000 online is through YouTube. Creating a YouTube channel can change people's lives, and it's never too late to start. You can make a lot of money on YouTube. Once you establish a successful channel, you can earn up to $100,000 per month with AdSense, and you can also earn from sponsorships, partnerships, and sales. Creating a YouTube channel is a learning journey. You won't be great at first, but it's worth taking the first step, improving and growing your channel over time. You can produce a wide variety of content on YouTube, such as tutorials, vlogs, gameplay videos, educational content, product reviews, and much more. This versatility allows you to find a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Comment on what you think of the video so far, and if you're enjoying it, don't forget to leave a like. It will always help us improve the videos for you. Now, courses are one of the best ways to make money online. If you have extensive knowledge about a particular subject, you can use it to your advantage. However, most people are afraid of launching a course, fearing that it might fail or that people will be dissatisfied and ask for refunds. Most people just want to be able to sell a course, sell their knowledge, and make some money from it. But you have to address the common pain points people have online. By doing that, you'll significantly increase your potential customers. One of the online courses that made the most money earned over $100 million in sales, and it was about using Excel spreadsheets. So for example, if you're really good at organizing and using Notion, you can make $100,000 per year with it online. Half of the challenge is creating a high-quality course, and the other half is getting an audience for it. That's where most people struggle and don't realize the amount of effort needed for marketing and attracting clients. One of the best platforms to offer your courses is Skillshare, as it has a royalty model similar to Spotify's. Besides, Skillshare takes care of marketing for the creators, making it the best way to launch your first online course. Freelancing. It is a popular way to make money online by offering your skills and services to clients worldwide. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with companies and individuals seeking various services, such as graphic design, writing, programming, digital marketing, and more. Create a strong profile. Your profile is your first impression on potential clients, so make it stand out. Showcase your skills, examples of previous work, certifications, and any relevant experience. Highlight your strengths and communicate your value proposition. Consider specializing in a specific niche to stand out from the competition. For example, instead of offering general writing services, focus on writing for specific sectors like technology, health, or finance. By consistently delivering high-quality work and building a reputable brand, you can establish yourself as a successful freelancer and work towards earning your first $100,000 online. The next way to earn your first $100,000 online is through dropshipping. Dropshipping involves finding products online and essentially marketing them through ads on platforms like Facebook, Google, TikTok, or any other platform, with a third-party supplier responsible for product delivery. This way, you act as the intermediary and keep the profit margin without having to handle product delivery. It sounds amazing until you realize that gross margins are small, and you end up spending a lot of money on advertising, making it less advantageous. However, currently, there are many free ways of promoting products, such as TikTok, Shorts, Reels. You can get free traffic, meaning you're not spending anything on advertising. Moreover, you have someone else to handle product delivery. Finding a winning product requires lots of testing and trial, but once you find it, you'll take a big step towards $100,000. In affiliate marketing, you promote a product, service, or even software, and earn a commission for it. Some of the world's largest companies like Amazon have affiliate marketing programs. The best part is that if the product is in high demand, it practically sells itself. And that's exactly what happened with Andrew Tate's Hustlers University. It was a simple affiliate marketing program, and Tate grew so rapidly and had so much demand that some people were making $5,000 to $10,000 per month just by taking snippets of his podcasts and posting them on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Reels, etc. So, you can promote software, a course, an info product, or anything that allows you to earn a percentage on a sale, and you consider it to be a great product, as that obviously makes it much easier to promote. Then, find a source of traffic, preferably something free. And if you manage to build these free traffic sources, you can sell offers as an affiliate. One of the advantages of being an affiliate is that you can affiliate with more than one product or service and increase your income. Starting in e-commerce allows you to sell products or services directly to consumers with a global audience, breaking geographical barriers and expanding the customer base beyond traditional physical stores. Compared to operating physical stores, starting and maintaining an online store is usually more cost-effective. There are no expenses related to renting physical space, utility bills, or store staff. You can create your own unique products or take advantage of dropshipping, where you sell products without maintaining inventory. Conduct market research to identify products in demand, provide excellent customer service, and market your store effectively through social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO. There are many online platforms where you can start your e-commerce. Some you can find are Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy. These are our 7 ideas to achieve your first $100,000. There are many other ways, and new ones emerge every day or period. You must stay alert to market trends and always update yourself. Never stop studying and improving, and above all, never give up. When you reach your goal, you'll see that the whole journey was worth your effort. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a like if you did, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.